Do you have a bull in your corner? When it comes to heavy hauling, IronBull's EWB is the industry leader. Its class-leading 8-inch I-beam mono frame gives you solid steel construction from the coupler to the rear bumper. Built for the most demanding jobs, this bull effortlessly handles your toughest job sites and demanding equipment. With this brute at your command, you will always be leading the pack. Elevate your towing game with multiple options, including industry-best rampage ramps, slide-in ramps, or heavy-duty fold-up ramps. No matter your requirements, the Bull has you covered. Every trailer is crafted for unmatched performance, ensuring you always conquer your demanding workload. Life's easier with a bull in your corner. IronBull, where durability meets affordability.